Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Wazuh manager is reachable and that the manager API is enabled. This ensures the agent can register and communicate. Next, install the agent package for your operating system and enable the agent service, because without a running service, nothing moves. Once done, pick an agent hostname and prepare the registration key or agent auth command parameters so you can initiate the secure enrollment immediately. You now perform enrollment. Run agent auth pointing at the manager IP and port and supply the registration key so the manager accepts this agent. After agent auth returns success, make sure the agent configuration file contains the manager address and the chosen agent name, then restart the agent service so settings take effect. Once restarted, check agent logs and the manager's agent list to confirm the new agent appears, and begin sending heartbeat messages. Finish by validating the agent status on the manager and ensuring heartbeat intervals are active so alerts will flow. If you see issues, open the agent. Log and look for authentication failures, connection timeouts, or policy rejections. Those messages tell you why communication failed. Make sure time is synchronized across systems, firewall ports are open, and the registration key or shared secret matches. Once corrected, restart the agent and recheck the manager to confirm the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.